just got rid of the engine after it's sitting here for a couple months, and the Miata's gone. So he said it should be done by the weekend if it's just the engine. Do you guys when I get that back? What's good, y'all? Welcome back to another video. In this video, we're gonna be going to go drop off my wheels and putting them on my Miata after a year later. So yeah, stay tuned for that. I'm gonna be heading to the shop right now. I'll see you guys at the shop. With you. Oh no, this is my buddy's shop. Okay. They were working on it for me. Okay.
Okay. You have until 6:30, you said?
Yeah.
This is a whole Kraken kit, huh?
Yeah.
I haven't seen. Usually people piece Kraken together.
Yeah.
So I haven't seen a complete kit yet.
Yeah, I looked online, bro. I mean, it's a relatively new kit, so I didn't see like nothing on it. So I was like, all right, well, I guess I'm good anyway.
No, it's good. You can't go wrong cast. They're sturdy, you know. They just work, and it saves a lot of space. And you still have AC, power steering, everything. Yep. That's awesome.
I guess they squeeze it in there.
So it's ready then. Yeah, ready. Should be, hopefully, yeah. Alright. Big car, man. Yeah. What everybody says. Yeah, good job, man. Yeah, right. So you've driven this car with this engine, right? They drive with this engine? I have not yet. Oh, with this engine? So the complete setup. With either. Oh, so it's brand new.
Yeah,
Okay,
so
okay.
you just do the engine in there and do the turbo on it.
Oh wow, so it's a fresh build kind of.
Yeah. You found a pretty good 7,000 miles or something.
Dude, that's good for 99.
80 something. 80.
Dude, that's awesome. No, you did a good job.
That thing is recording. Alright, Alfredo. I didn't get that much footage because... Here, let me go over here first. As I'm sure you know by now, by the time you're probably watching this footage, we need a new boost gauge because this one... Oh shit, hold on. That one is not working. And I need to mess with this a little bit more. Let me try to point that one right there. That one, shit, I just messed with something, bro, my bad. But, other than that, everything is good, bro. So, yeah. Whenever you're seeing this, my bad, but I'll get that fixed for you, bro. And we'll get this shit back on the road soon. I mean, it's drivable. He said you could drive it home and all that shit. But yeah, bro, I didn't get any footage. Just because we had to mess with all this once we barely took it out. So yeah.
What's good, you guys? It's the next day. As you can see, I got the Miata in the background. But yeah, about to go get to drive it for the first time today. I'm gonna take you guys with me for that. So yeah. Oh man, that's crazy. The fucking wheels just by itself makes such a big difference, bro. That's crazy. Oh my god. This car feels fucking perfect.
Yeah, bro. Oh shit, the camera turned towards me.
Oh man. Dude, the car feels so different with this engine. Like, it actually feels smooth. It doesn't feel like shitty. I don't know what I was expecting the turbo noise to sound like, but it still sounds pretty good.
Bro, that's how usually that shit
really
sounds, yeah.
I don't know, bro. I mean, I've never really, I don't think I've actually driven a turbo car other than my brother's.
I mean, that's
Audi.
Yeah, that's what the That's what the blow-off valves do. Like, that's how the aftermarket sound. I'm pretty sure.
Yeah.
I don't know shit much about turbos either, but.
Yeah, I might have to stop handling my Civic. It's game over, bro. GG.
Fuck, dude.
Oh man, that was hella worth the wait, bro. That's crazy, man.
Make sure, man. He said not to push it too much.
Yeah.
Did he say a day that you can take it to him?
Tomorrow.
Tomorrow?
Yeah.
That's
This is so good. So I'm gonna have fun with this car for sure. Oh man.
yeah, bro. And that's the thing. He's still gonna tune it too.
Yeah. I'm not even pushing it. It's already just feels like so much better, man.
That's what my uncle was saying because he drove it.
Yeah.
He was like, that shit feels nice. And
it's hard to think whether this car could get like any better. It is so nice not hearing that rattle, because you heard the rattle right before you swapped out the engine.
Yeah. That was the whole engine was fucked up, dude.
I really like how it's not like my car's not hella loud.
Yeah.
It's actually kind of nice. I feel like nobody would think that it's like, well, I guess you can hear the stew when it's rolling up, but
yeah, but
other than that, it's like low key.
Yeah, I imagine how satisfying it is for you, but bro, just fucking hearing it is pretty satisfying for me too.
Yeah. So once I get it fully tuned, I won't really have to worry about pushing it too hard, right? Because it'll be.
Oh yeah.
It should be safe.
Yeah, it should be safe.
Okay. I thought my Civic felt good, like as far as like the tires and like how it felt planted, but.
Oh shit, the fucking camera's all over here. Damn, bro, with the tuning it's gonna be crazy.
Yeah, it's kind of nice having these like long ass roads next to your fucking warehouse.
Oh yeah.
Just on the street.
Yeah, no, yeah, that's definitely a better thing around here. We have more open roads to like test shit if we want to.
Yeah.
Oh, okay, for
I
sure.
don't have any issues. Is your zip tie pretty like?
Yeah, I just inside the shit was hella tight, dude. That's why it took me a minute when
you were working on it?
Yeah, when I was trying to zip tie it.
Yeah, well, you were down there for like at least 15 minutes.
Yeah, like 15, 20 minutes, bro.
Yeah, because the time was getting pretty close to my appointment. And I'm like, oh fuck, I gotta get out of here.
Yeah.
And I was just like looking at the clock like while he was talking to me the whole time.
Yeah, I
was like, oh.
I was trying to fucking put it at, I was thinking one zip tie would have been enough, but it was fucking dangling, like it was dangling right over the fucking pedal, so it would have been it definitely would have been in the way probably. All right. Damn, bro, I didn't put my glasses on this entire time.
Hey, hello?
What's up?
So there's hella traffic right now, so it's gonna be faster just to go this way.
Okay.
So that's the reason why I didn't go this way.
Okay, for sure. Yeah, I was like, oh shit, where are we going?
Yeah, I was like, I'm not about to drive this shit in fucking traffic right now. So yeah. Okay.
Alright, is this like some back roads or something?
Yeah, it's just gonna be a back road, yeah.
For sure. Alright,
Oh man.
I'll follow you.
It's cool. What's good, you guys? Just made it home after driving it for the first time. Yeah, check it out. This is what it looks like right now. Yeah, that's the wheel setup, and then yeah, that's kind of just what it looks like. But yeah, I'm hella happy with the way it turned out, honestly. Like, even though I waited like 2 years to complete this build and get it up and running and everything, it came out perfect. So yeah, I'm excited, man, to actually take it out. Tomorrow I'm going to be doing the final tune to finalize everything after work, and then yeah, I'll be taking you guys with me for that part as well. But I gotta drive it today and everything's cool, so pretty much just like what I wanted, if not more. So yeah, stay tuned for more Miata content coming soon.